Namaste.
Namaste.
In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to manage our blood pressure, keep it under control, and lower it. So let's dive right in. We start with the feet separated about shoulder width apart. During this flow, we ask you to try to do your best and to breathe in and out through the nose. And so follow along and do your very best. The first part of this exercise, we sink slightly. That is, your midsection comes down as if you were starting to sit on a chair. And then we turn the palms up and out to the sides. We bring the palms in and push the palms gently down from the top of your head down to about your knees. So it's inhalation and a nice long exhalation. So we try to make the exhalation just a bit longer than the inhalation. So here we breathe out as the hands come down. We try to coordinate the breath with the movement. So it's an in-breath, nice and slow here, exhaling down. So hopefully this helps set the tone in being calm, quiet, and achieving some inner peace here. Breathe nice and easy and keep the motions slow and evenly paced. Breathing in and breathing out. One last time here, and exhale down. So this next exercise is a shifting exercise where we'll be shifting our weight to the right side, turning the right hand out, lifting the energy out of the earth, shifting to center, bringing the hands with, and bringing the hand down what we call the midline, this imaginary line that divides our body in half. So let's repeat that to the right side. Shift, open the hand, draw the energy up out of the earth, shift to center, and move the energy down. Let's do that to the left side. Shift, move the energy over and down the midline. Now try to keep your gaze on the moving hand. This becomes sort of a moving meditation of sorts down the midline with an exhalation. So it's inhale, look at the moving hand, hold the breath, and exhale down the center. Right. Look. And exhale down. Left. Look. And exhale down the center. Repeating. Slow and easy. Try to breathe in and out through your nose, as I mentioned earlier. And try to keep things nice and slow and simple. And one more to each side. And down. Now, I'd like you to raise the right hand just about across from your heart. And then we shift slightly and bring it down and bring the left hand up. Just shift barely on one leg to the other, sort of circling the arms. As one comes down, the other one comes up. Down and up. Nice and easy. We do this a few times, and then we start to shift a little more to the right, shifting over onto the left. Switch hands. Right and left. Let's extend that shift now on this one. Shift out a little farther and just switch hands. And take it slow as we move over to the left side and switch hands. Slow. Breathing. Just breathing naturally here. So this exercise is called cloud hands. It's one of the most popular of all Qigong exercises throughout history. We do some cloud hands every day. It is the perfect exercise to help keep the blood pressure under control, to keep the body relaxed, and help still the mind as well. Shift, switch, and one more time, shift, and back to center. This time we bring the hands in back to back at about the groin level. Then turn the hands inward, fingertips in. And then draw the hands up the center. And then turn the hands outward, overhead, separate, and sink. So let's try that again. Back of the hands together. Fold the fingers inward. So now the fingers are coming up together. And this is what we call opening the lotus. So we turn the fingers and hands outward. Spread the arms apart, palms facing out, elbows bent as we sink with an exhalation. So this is inhale, up the midline here, open the lotus flower, and exhale down. In breath, open, and exhale down. Let's do a couple more. Inhale, open the flower, and separate. And last time, back of the hands come together, fingers point inward, come up the midline, separate in nice, long, peaceful exhalation down. So we bring the feet in together and we cross one palm over the other. For men, the left hand comes in on top of the lower belly area, covering an energy center called the dantian, covered with the right. And here we like to relax with the eyes closed in sort of a 20 or 30 second meditation, where our minds are concentrated on our breath. And we lock out all other thoughts and just focus our attention on the breathing. We feel our body softening from the shoulders down through the arms, the midsection, even the legs. The knees should be bent here. And we hold this for, as I said, a few seconds. And you could do this a little longer at home, anytime. If you feel your body sort of weaving and swaying a bit, just go with the flow. Good. So open the eyes, and we want to thank you for being with us today. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Spread the word to your friends. We'd appreciate your helping to grow our channel with us so we can provide more videos. So, the spirit within our hearts, honor the spirit with you. We hope you practice this and keep your blood pressure under control. And we say, Namaste.